Good afternoon. You are officially on the market with Val, and today we are showcasing this 3-bedroom, beautifully renovated townhome in the heart of Minersville, PA. This is the lower level, so I'm entering through the back. Okay, these are stairs that lead up to the main level. This is an outside door that goes to the backyard area. So I just wanted to take a minute and take you on this tour. So as we walk up to the main level, the official level of the home, it opens up and showcases a beautiful, newly renovated kitchen. The owner didn't spare any punches in the renovations. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, new cabinetry. Very nice living room area. Stainless steel kitchen, stainless steel refrigerator, Floors were redone, walls were redone. Bedroom number 1 faces the front of the home. Has a little deck area. Outside patio. Closet. It's a different view. Let's walk up to the second level. The second level is very unique, being that you are on the higher part of the home, and you have another full bedroom with a closet. Those are the stairs we just escalated from. But what makes it unique is off of the master bedroom, you have a deck. New deck. Very nice. Leads to the backyard space. That is the off-street parking, the home. Comes in through the alley. So it's very unique in that manner that off of one of the bedrooms on the second floor, there is a deck area. Okay? You walk out of this particular bedroom, we have a fully renovated bathroom. Everything in this house is new, from wiring to floors to boiler system. Bedroom number 3 with a nice California style closet. Another good thing is that it's pushed air ventilation for the heat, and every room has its own thermometer or thermostat, excuse me. Then we enter the top level of the home, which is basically an attic, but they did nice renovations to it, as you can see. So it's a little hot up here, but you can put ventilation. There's the forced air for AC. So officially, it is a 1, 2, 3, 4 bedroom. Counting the attic, which is fully redone. So again, nice little outdoor area. Beautiful finishes in the kitchen and dining room, kitchen and living room area. And we exit downstairs into the lower area. So the house has a lot of space. Multiple levels. There's levels to this, right? Let's not forget this beautiful added fireplace. This is the washroom, new boiler, water heater system. Another half bath. Actually, it's a full bath. So this can definitely be a rentable unit. Earn some income. Thank you for touring this home with me. This home is listed at 165 in the Minersville area of Pennsylvania, exiting Berks County into Schuylkill County. It's a beautiful home. If you're interested in seeing this home or viewing others in the area, you could always call me, 347-863-0719. Have a good day.